There are three basic techniques to use when automating GENI experiments. They are creating custom OS images, creating scripts that run at node boot time, which are called install scripts, or using open source configuration management tools such as Chef or Ansible. Let's talk about them one at a time. There are a variety of existing operating system images you can use on GENI. If one of these is not appropriate for your experiment, you can create a custom image. Regardless of whether you use a standard or a custom image, the image is specified in the RSpec with a disk image tag, as shown here. Do use a custom OS image if the software installation you're using is complicated or slow, but do not use custom OS images as a substitute to being able to reproduce the software installation. GENI also allows the use of install and execute scripts, which are really just scripts which run when the node boots. They are commonly shell scripts, but they can be written in any language, for example, Python. In fact, install scripts don't have to be a single script at all. Despite their name, they are actually a compressed tarball which can contain an arbitrary number of files, including scripts and flat files. To use an install script, the experimenter puts the tar.gz file on a publicly available web server. Here it is myserver.com, and they specify this location in their RSpec. The experimenter also specifies where this file should be placed on her node when it is booted. Here that's /local. When the node is booted, it downloads the specified tarball and places it in the specified location. Then it decompresses the file. Finally, it executes whatever commands or scripts are specified in the execute tag on the RSpec, in this case install script.sh, which is a file that was in the original tarball. Do use install scripts for frequently used configurations, which must run at start time. Do not use install scripts for infrequent tasks. Finally, you can use standard open source configuration management tools such as Ansible and Chef to configure your nodes. Configuration management tools ensure an experiment is in a known configuration regardless of its original state, and they make it easy to reproduce experiment configurations. This feature makes it easy to do multiple runs with the same setup and with systematic variations such as changing parameters and scaling topologies. Configuration management tools make it easy to automate everyday tasks and to ensure repeatable experiments. Automating your experiment is important for experiment repeatability and reproducibility. In addition, it makes experimentation easier on the experimenter. Use a combination of OS images, install scripts, and configuration management tools to automate your experiment.